Okay, we've got Lisa back here behind the camera. For those of you who I have not met, my name is Jacqueline. I am the owner of Homeworks, etc. We are at part 2 of how to use milk paint here. So I've got my sandpaper. We applied the milk paint to this box. It's completely dry, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and sand it back. You can see that it is very powdery, very dusty. You can see all of the dust particles are flying all over the place. So you want to make sure that you are in an area where you don't mind the dust. Now you can sand this back as much as you want. Now I'm happy with that wood grain coming through. I want to keep the color the way it is. You can distress your edges if you want. Again, you can sand as much or as little as you like, and then you just take a rag, a lint-free rag, and this is just the clear wax. Now this is gonna seal the wood and really make that color pop. And so you can see that natural wood grain where I over sanded, it sanded back a lot of that color, but I love the distressed look. And now this clear wax will seal the entire box, and so it will help it to repel water. Now I'll do the rest of that later, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how to use this milk paint and how to display the wood box. So we have some succulents here that you can plant. You can line this with plastic or get a plant liner. You can just head to your local nursery. You can see that this box fits 5 4-inch pots. So we can fill it with soil if you like, but just an idea for decorating for indoors. Lisa, do you want to show them more of the other plants too?
Yes. Here we have 3 good sized Gerber daisies that you can fit in here. Super nice. You can also put herbs in here if you wanted to. And if you're an indoor plant person, this is a great option as well. And we also have our berry wreaths with some candles in here. So you're not limited to plants. You can put whatever you want and they can be in everyday use.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day.